tree onto the sidewalk. None of the parents could be found within the area. One of our local bird rescues stepped in and tried to see if someone could give them a forever home, which is kind of what we've done with our little flock here.
When we got Seamus, seeing him grow up, it was really cool.
Seamus is just no fear. He gets into everything. Oh, somebody's here right now. Say hi. First thing in the morning, I get my coffee. I sit down, and he kept trying to go into the cup. The progression started with a napkin, and then he'd throw that off. And then it went to a paper plate, and then he'd throw that off. So then I actually found the cup with the cover on top. Like, perfect. But he tries really hard, and some days he almost gets his head, like, right in there. He'll open his beak like he's going, coffee. And he's on the cup. He's like, how do I open this? We actually started raising butterflies together. For some reason, he just wants to get close to the butterflies and engage in that way, which is so cute. It's Iris's one. And he's so brave until they flap their wings. Chris Bird always takes him out and feeds him, and then as soon as Seamus sees that, he's right there. You just gotta steal the sugar water.
Like, I'm trying to do the butterfly Seamus.
He loves taking a bath. You'll get really soaked. The splash zone is at least 3 feet in circumference. You have a cup of ice, he's there. I'm eating cereal, he's in there. We have almond milk now. It's not bad for him. He's just really, it's kind of nice to see him progress. We take in birds that are not releasable, the ones that need the forever home.
We got a bunch of them on tape.
Kiwi and Coco. It's like we're becoming this little ecosystem here in our house.
Seeing where they are today as opposed to when we first started out with it. Been a really great growing experience. Not just the birds, but about ourselves too. They teach us a lot. To take things one step at a time. To kind of just help them along when they're ready. It's kind of nice to see where they are and how happy they are.
I mean, it's awesome that I get to spend so much time with my son and my daughter. It's like the best part of our day, just being with them.